The benefits and drawbacks of almond milk, a comprehensive guide. Almond milk has become a popular plant-based milk alternative in recent years, and for good reason. This delicious and versatile beverage is not only a great option for those with dairy intolerance or preferences, but it also offers a range of nutritional benefits. In this article, we'll explore the benefits and drawbacks of almond milk, its nutritional profile, and some tips for incorporating it into your diet. What is almond milk? Almond milk is a plant-based milk alternative made from almonds and water. The almonds are soaked in water, blended with water, and then strained to create a smooth and creamy liquid. Some brands may add additional ingredients, such as thickeners, sweeteners, or flavorings, but many brands offer unsweetened and unflavored options. Nutritional benefits of almond milk. Almond milk is a nutrient-rich beverage that offers several health benefits. Some of the key nutritional benefits of almond milk include: 1. Low in calories. Almond milk is naturally low in calories, making it an excellent option for those watching their weight. 2. Rich in vitamins. Almond milk is a good source of vitamins E and D, as well as calcium and vitamin B12. 3. Low in fat. Almond milk is low in fat, making it an excellent option for those looking to reduce their fat intake. 4. Good source of antioxidants. Almond milk contains antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and oxidative stress. Drawbacks of almond milk. While almond milk offers several nutritional benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. 1. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to almonds, making almond milk a potential allergen. 2. Additives. Some brands of almond milk may contain additives, such as thickeners or sweeteners, which can be detrimental to health. 3. Low in protein. Almond milk is naturally low in protein, making it less suitable for those looking to increase their protein intake. 4. Environmental impact. The production of almond milk requires significant amounts of water, which can have a negative impact on the environment. Types of almond milk. There are several types of almond milk available, including: 1. Unsweetened almond milk. This type of almond milk is free from added sugars and sweeteners. 2. Sweetened almond milk. This type of almond milk contains added sugars or sweeteners. 3. Flavored almond milk. This type of almond milk is flavored with natural or artificial flavorings. 4. Organic almond milk. This type of almond milk is made from organic almonds and is free from pesticides and other chemicals. Tips for incorporating almond milk into your diet. Almond milk can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways, including: 1. Cereal and oatmeal. Almond milk is a great addition to cereal and oatmeal, providing a creamy and delicious base. 2. Smoothies. Almond milk is a popular base for smoothies, providing a low-calorie and nutritious option. 3. Baking. Almond milk can be used in baking, providing a dairy-free and low-fat option. 4. Coffee and tea. Almond milk is a popular addition to coffee and tea, providing a creamy and delicious base. Conclusion. Almond milk is a nutritious and delicious plant-based milk alternative that offers several health benefits. While there are some potential drawbacks to consider, almond milk can be a great addition to a balanced diet. By choosing unsweetened and unflavored options, and incorporating almond milk into your diet in a variety of ways, you can enjoy the benefits of this versatile beverage. Recommendations. If you're looking to incorporate almond milk into your diet, here are some recommendations to get you started. 1. Choose unsweetened and unflavored options. Look for brands that offer unsweetened and unflavored almond milk to avoid added sugars and sweeteners. 2. Experiment with different brands. Try different brands of almond milk to find the one that works best for you. 3. Use almond milk in baking. Almond milk can be used in baking, providing a dairy-free and low-fat option. 4. Add almond milk to your smoothies. Almond milk is a popular base for smoothies, providing a low-calorie and nutritious option.